Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable or enable app-specific notifications on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on your TV screen right from the home menu. Then go to Preferences, which is the tile in the very middle, and then navigate to Notification Settings. Select App Notifications in the following menu, and here you will find all the applications installed on your TV. If you want to disable notifications for one of these apps, just click OK on it to turn off notifications. If you want to unblock notifications, click OK once again. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.